So hello guys, welcome back to English with Bilman, and today I have a very special topic for you that is requested by some of you. So I'm gonna explain it to you and teach you how to use that particular topic in a sentence. Okay, so the conjunction, okay, that is actually conjunction, that is like a subordinating conjunction. We call it subordinating conjunction. That is as soon as, okay, that is called as soon as. So we're gonna learn how to use as soon as. Dal dan semua seorang request kat dah cemang ko video thari Cina as soon as ya de conjunction yan conjunction ngamo conjunction di bayan types mode dengdang types donga no conjunction ng donga de mong ban yan wa subordinating conjunction ngam subordinating conjunction. So I'm gonna make a video on that. Uni mana daude unan video thari gen mo ni mai bokho jakhala ni kona sunai thala dang ska gen de mong bana yani ulto no as soon as yani muksung ni de mai achi ko bungsung te mai rak brong jakhala na mengsa kamo mai ba kamo inga de mai ba kamo inga de me daude kamo ing pani biding o mai ken wa kamo ani jamno mai ba buk teke rang sana no ngamo nga wa kam mungsung ing pani jamno mengsa buk teke berteng mo mengsa wani jamno uni jamna mengsa buk teke wanggen wan dak bana jakhala gen as soon as. The example again. As soon as he finished his work, he went out. As soon as he finished his work, he went out. Bini kam ko macho darian bia apalchi ong khatanga ha. Gi jakal nam gamo bini kam ko macho darian bia apalchi ong khatanga ha daude bini kam khaing pa mo. Kam khainga chim bia kam macho tanin apalchi ong khatanga ha wading thang khamong skainga ha mo. Kam khainga dieng bana ununi jol wan ong khatanga hamo macho tani ko ong khatanga hawa khamung sak ba macho den jamno wan jol gi sak pa ong skainga wala ko jakhala gen as soon as digem na aro example net punaman gen. Second example, as soon as she saw her son, she embraced him. As soon as she saw her son, she embraced him. Anhang ni depan de ko nikarian mo nikani kon buk nikani kon bia biko kapaka ha gi jakhala kadam gen mo as soon as. Yang benar bang example ko na sung jakal na kataman again. Jika sung aro example ko jakal na kataman again. I will come as soon as possible. I will come as soon as possible. Anga mana depete pakan ibagan. Mo anga mana depete pakan ibagan. Yang benar ningra ayan sung nga subordinating conjunction. Yan conjunction nga as soon as. Yang benar kadua je mangan yako request kala mo bango. Yako thare china request kala chim basing atachim yam bisong nasimong masir kay hayako nigeng bana. Yerang san modalni lesson den asmana thalat tapani san aya jiman masi jachim ye masik barang de masik barang mo bisona de unjan de jiman masi jachim uga mangnasa de mudde mathela na cheng plakon mana na sme video ko bo na ni han geng bana da ani lesson de yerang san na cheng plakon rebang pa video brong taigen dalne plaknan. Bye bye.